What's up, you guys? Welcome to Homesteading with SEK. A little update on my rose bushes. I got roses, you guys. Yes. All right, you guys. If y'all been following me for a long time, y'all already know I always said that I didn't have the green thumb when it came to flowers, but I am developing it. All right. So, you guys, I planted these rose bushes sometime back. I would say, I'm gonna say, maybe 3 years ago or 4 years ago. Now these bushes was half this size, and I did a video recently on how I pruned them all the way back because I want to be able to get to my trellis area. So y'all already see what they doing. So they took a while to come back. I even went to my local garden and was complaining like, why are my rose bushes blooming? I see everybody rose bush blooming. So I was fretting with these rose bushes because I knew I had put some work in them. I gave them like a half a bag of compost. I fed them some rose bush feed, and then the garden center was trying to get me to buy a container that was like almost $40, talking about this will help bring your roses to bloom. I was like, I just gave my roses some rose food, you know, and I had took care of these two and my one that's up in the front of my house that hasn't been doing that well. So I had pruned that all the way back. So they are doing exceptionally well. Y'all already know I put that bird net on them because I'm not playing with the deers this year, and they are looking beautiful. I come out every day and I'm so enjoying them. I was just telling my son that I wanted to actually do some rose jelly and see how well that I can make that with rose petals. And you already know it's so many apothecary things that you could do with rose petals. So I wanted to attempt to do that as well. Another thing that I want to do is learn how to propagate roses. Now, if you look at the bottom of these rose bushes, there are so many stems within these rose bushes right here. So my goal is to try to come in there and snap off of some of those branches and see if I can propagate these rose bushes by putting some rooting hormone on them. And also I would have to do some definitely some YouTube University videos to learn on how to propagate them. But I'm sure it's not a hard process, and like I said, when I look at the bottom of these rose bushes and see the multiple of stems down there, I'm sure that I can just snap one of these off, get it out, and propagate and create some more rose bushes. I would love to do that in this area of my house where there is nothing on this side. And y'all, I did a tour before to show y'all my lot. I still have tons and tons of room where I can grow. I still have plans on putting pool out here, things of that nature, to where I can still enjoy my home and my garden, my lot. So that is the plan for right now, to learn how to propagate these bushes and also maintain them and keep them shaped nice, because you can see already my area has gotten again narrow. So I'm going to have to try to just keep these maintained to like small round. I don't want them to grow too big. I really don't, because then I won't have access to getting into my trellis area. So you guys, if you guys have any suggestions on how to propagate roses, if you ever tried to propagate roses, definitely drop me a line. But that is my plan to bring more beautification in the yard and to learn. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my beautiful roses. And this is SEK, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hard work pays off, you guys. I'm telling you, it's very gratifying. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Peace.